Essay Clean and Green Pakistan. Human activities like burning of fossil fuels, throwing of household and industrial waste carelessly, depletion of forests, excessive use of vehicles and electric appliances, and misuse of pesticides are increasing pollution day by day and also led to an increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases. These gases are responsible for trapping excessive heat and thus increasing the overall temperature of Earth, leading to global warming. Global warming has emerged as one of the biggest threats to the Earth. Pakistan is one of the most polluted countries in the world. Pollution has become our worst enemy. According to the World Health Organization, the air quality in Pakistan is unsafe. Discharge of untreated wastewater from households, industries, and agriculture into rivers, streams, and groundwater is the primary source of water pollution in our country. Pakistan is one of the 6 top countries most affected by global warming. It has a low forest cover with only 5% of its total land area under forest and tree cover, whereas internationally it is recommended to have at least 25% of a country's land area under forest cover. Pakistan is extremely vulnerable to climatic changes, and different parts of our country are already adversely affected by climate impacts, which include flash floods, increased heat waves, water scarcity, and food shortages with temperature touching the sky. To encounter the effects of pollution and climatic change, we have to accept it as a challenge to save the environment for our future generations. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that cleanliness is half of the faith. We as followers have to implement it in all aspects of our lives. For a clean and green Pakistan, we need to play our role actively. Being a responsible citizens of Pakistan, we need to keep our surroundings clean, throwing trash in bins, not wasting food, conserve water, avoid use of polythene bags, and turning off lights, computers, and electric appliances when not in use are the small things to do. We have to plant trees in our surrounding and homes, including rooftops, and encourage our friends and family members to do the same in order to reduce pollution. The government has also launched Clean and Green Pakistan campaign. For the betterment of our environment, we also have to take part in this campaign wholeheartedly.